Forget fancy offices and bulky computers. The era of the traditional office setup is fading fast. Today, your smartphone is your most powerful business tool. It's not just a device. It's your portable office, your communication hub, and your gateway to the world. The world is shifting to mobile, and entrepreneurs are at the forefront of this revolution. They are leveraging the power of mobile technology to innovate, collaborate, and drive their businesses forward. With just a few taps, you can launch your dream business, connect with customers worldwide, and manage every aspect of your empire. From marketing to sales, from customer service to inventory management, everything is at your fingertips. This is the age of the smartphone CEO, and the possibilities are limitless. The smartphone has democratized entrepreneurship, making it accessible to anyone with a vision and the determination to succeed. Gone are the days when you needed a physical storefront and a team of employees to run a successful business. Now, you can operate a thriving enterprise from anywhere in the world, whether you're in a bustling city or a remote village. Now all you need is a great idea, a smartphone, and the drive to succeed. The barriers to entry have been significantly lowered, allowing more people to pursue their entrepreneurial dreams. Whether you're passionate about fashion, handcrafted goods, or digital services, there's a place for you in the bustling world of mobile commerce. The smartphone enables you to reach a global audience and showcase your products or services in innovative ways. The barriers to entry have never been lower, and the potential rewards have never been greater. With the right strategy and execution, you can achieve remarkable success and growth. But it's not just about convenience. It's about creating meaningful connections and building a loyal customer base. Mobile entrepreneurship is about empowerment. It's about having the freedom to work on your own terms and the ability to adapt quickly to changing market conditions. It's about taking control of your destiny and building something you're truly passionate about. Social media platforms and mobile apps provide the tools to create and grow your brand, engage with your audience, and drive your business forward. It's about connecting with customers on a personal level and creating a brand that resonates with their values. Building trust and loyalty through genuine interactions is key to long-term success. So, if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and become your own boss, read on. Embrace the power of the smartphone and embark on your entrepreneurial journey today. Your online store is your virtual storefront, so choosing the right platform is crucial. This decision will impact not only your store's functionality, but also its overall success and growth potential. Fortunately, there's a plethora of mobile-friendly options designed to make selling a breeze. These platforms are built to cater to different business models and sizes, ensuring that there's something for everyone. Shopify, Wix, and Squarespace are all popular choices, each with its own set of strengths and unique features that can cater to various business needs. Each offering user-friendly interfaces, customizable templates, and secure payment gateways. These features are essential for building trust with your customers and ensuring smooth transactions. Take some time to explore their features, compare pricing plans, and find the perfect fit for your business needs. Consider the scalability of the platform as your business grows. Think about the products you're selling and the overall aesthetic you want to achieve. The right platform should allow you to showcase your products in the best possible light. Do you need a platform that seamlessly integrates with social media? This can be a game changer for driving traffic and sales through your social channels. Are you looking for advanced inventory management tools? Efficient inventory management can save you time and reduce errors, making your operations smoother. Consider these factors carefully before making your decision. It's important to weigh the pros and cons of each platform in relation to your specific business needs. Remember, you can always switch platforms later if needed, but starting with the right one can save you time and headaches down the road. A well-chosen platform can grow with your business. Don't be afraid to experiment. Trying out different platforms can give you a better understanding of what works best for you. Most platforms offer free trials, allowing you to test drive their features and see which one feels most intuitive. Take advantage of these trials to make an informed decision. You can even set up a basic version of your store and get a feel for the platform's backend before committing to a paid plan. This hands-on experience can be invaluable. The key is to choose a platform that empowers you, not intimidates you. Your platform should make you feel confident and capable of managing your online store. Remember, simplicity is key, especially when you're just starting out. A straightforward, easy-to-use platform can help you focus on growing your business rather than getting bogged down by technical details. Marketing doesn't have to cost a fortune. In fact, with a bit of creativity and strategic thinking, you can achieve remarkable results without spending a lot of money. Some of the most effective marketing strategies are completely free. These methods not only save you money, but also allow you to connect with your audience in a more genuine and impactful way. Social media is your best friend when it comes to getting the word out about your new venture. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok offer incredible opportunities to reach a vast audience without any cost. Create engaging profiles on these platforms, showcasing your products and brand personality. Make sure your profiles are visually appealing and reflect the essence of your brand. Use high-quality photos and videos to capture attention. Visual content is key in social media marketing, so invest time in creating stunning visuals. Don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats like stories, reels, and live videos. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, messages, and mentions. Run contests and giveaways to build a loyal community around your brand. Interaction is crucial for building relationships and trust with your audience. Word-of-mouth marketing is incredibly powerful. Your early supporters can be your biggest advocates, spreading the word about your brand to their friends and family. Offer exclusive discounts and early access to new products to incentivize sharing. Turn your customers into brand ambassadors by rewarding them for their loyalty and support. This not only boosts your sales, but also strengthens your community. Another cost-effective strategy is to collaborate with influencers in your niche. Influencers have a dedicated following and can help you reach new audiences. Reach out to bloggers, YouTubers, or Instagram personalities who align with your brand values. Offer them free products or commissions on sales generated through their unique referral links. This can be a win-win situation for both parties. Influencer marketing can be a great way to tap into new audiences and build credibility for your brand. Remember, authenticity is key. Choose influencers who genuinely love your products and are passionate about sharing them with their followers. Authenticity is crucial in influencer marketing. Choose influencers who genuinely love your products and are passionate about sharing them with their followers. This ensures that their endorsements are sincere and resonate with their audience, leading to better engagement and trust in your brand. Don't let the logistics of shipping and handling overwhelm you. Several mobile apps are designed to streamline your entire fulfillment process. ShipStation and ShipBob are excellent options that integrate seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms, allowing you to print shipping labels, track packages, and manage inventory all from your phone. Automate as much as possible to free up your time and focus on other aspects of your business. Set up automatic email notifications to keep customers informed about their order status and provide tracking information for peace of mind. Excellent customer service goes a long way in building trust and loyalty. Respond to inquiries promptly and always strive to exceed expectations. Don't be afraid to outsource tasks if needed. Virtual assistants can be invaluable for handling customer service inquiries, managing social media accounts, or even fulfilling orders. Delegating tasks that don't require your direct expertise allows you to focus on your strengths and grow your business more efficiently. Remember, you don't have to do everything yourself. Building a strong team, even if it's just a few virtual helpers, can make all the difference. Social media isn't just about posting pretty pictures. It's about building a community around your brand. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and run interactive polls and Q&A sessions to foster a sense of connection. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your business, showcase your creative process, and let your personality shine through. Use social media advertising to target your ideal customers with laser precision. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer powerful ad targeting options, allowing you to reach people based on their interests, demographics, and even their online behavior. Experiment with different ad formats, track your results, and refine your strategy over time. Don't underestimate the power of video marketing. Short, engaging videos can be incredibly effective at capturing attention and showcasing your products in action. Create behind-the-scenes glimpses of your creative process, product demonstrations, or even just fun and relatable content that aligns with your brand personality. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels are perfect for sharing bite-sized video content that resonates with today's mobile-first audience. High-quality product photography is essential for attracting customers and making sales. Fortunately, you don't need a fancy DSLR camera to capture stunning visuals. Your smartphone is more than capable of taking professional-looking photos with a little practice and the right tools. Experiment with natural lighting, different angles, and simple props to create visually appealing compositions. Several photo editing apps are available for both iOS and Android devices, allowing you to enhance your photos, adjust colors, and create a cohesive aesthetic for your brand. VSTO, Snapseed, and Adobe Lightroom are all excellent options with a wide range of editing tools and filters to choose from. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. Use your phone's portrait mode to create professional-looking product shots with a blurred background, or experiment with stop-motion animation to bring your products to life. The key is to showcase your products in the best possible light and create a visual identity that aligns with your brand's overall aesthetic. Remember, consistency is key. Choose a style and stick with it across all your social media platforms and marketing materials to create a cohesive and memorable brand image.